What's up, everybody? Today we're going to check out the Vazquez Rocks. This is a cool spot just outside of Los Angeles off the 14 freeway between Santa Clarita and Palmdale. Vazquez Rocks. Named after Tiburcio Vazquez, one of California's most infamous bandits from 1854 to 1874. In 1857, he was caught stealing horses in Los Angeles and was sentenced to 5 years in San Quentin. He was released in 1863 and continued in his old ways, and by January 1873, he had earned enough recognition for his raids to have a $1,000 bounty on his head. In December of 1873, he robbed all the businesses in Kingston, a town in the county of Fresno, and made off with $2,500 in cash and jewelry. This caused the bounty to increase to $8,000 in February of 1874. He was eventually caught in 1875 and sentenced to death for his many crimes. These rocks were a hideout for Vazquez and his gang. You should definitely come check this out. Vazquez Rocks is a great place to explore if you have kids. All these rocks that you see back here, you're able to climb anywhere that you can get to. And there's even more along this ridge here. And there's trails throughout the park. Like I mentioned, the PCT, Pacific Crest Trail, runs right through the park. There's actually, if you take this trail down towards the freeway, there's a tunnel that heads right underneath the freeway. But plenty of things to do here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next day trip adventure.